Do you know kuna time wase walipiga prayer Nyayo, mandege zikadedi. Literally.
Like birds.
Yes. Now anyone who understands what we call monitoring spirits, wanga zina manifest kama birds.
This was not captured during BENNY HINN Crusade. People prayed until monetary spirits, which were in form of birds, started falling down.
Explanation. Umetaja BENNY HINN na najua nikikuuliza hiyo sahi tutavia off. But nataka we make mental note.
Okay.
Kuna vile BENNY HINN akikuja hapa watu walikuwa wanasema accidents have started happening, those are sacrifices. I would like you to respond to that, but sitaki useme sahi because tutavia off.
Waja tuijibu between one sentence. What has been happening? Unakumbuka time ya COVID? Daily tulikuwa tunaambia wasa wamededi. Ushaijiuliza COVID ilishaje? The moment wali tone down na kutuambia watu wamededi, psychologically watu walianza kuheal. If today tutaanza kusema watu wanadedi na malaria, utaona ni kama dunia inaisha. So sometimes kuna vitu happen unakuta narrow down, zoom in. Haya huku msiali mgongo na ndudhi amededi huku nani. So that's the dominating news. Na Kenya huanga na hizo waves za this is happening and this is happening. Spiritually when
hakuna sacrifices of the
spiritually when you understand spirituality, deep spirituality na hata yuko kwa Bible. Ukiingia kwa occultic na manini, kuna kuanga na months zao za sacrifice. Kuna kuanga na seasons spiritually zenye wanga ni seasons za ku release blessing. Na kuna kuanga na season spiritually zenye wanga ni season ambazo unakuta kuna a lot of even warfare in the spirit. And April, hizo seasons are April, wanga very contentious season in the spirit. And you know, people can say anything. People can say anything. When a man of God comes in town, people, but I can tell you, these are no sacrifices. I'll tell you one thing. Before meeting na hii sasa ikuwa captured. Do you know kuna time wase walipiga prayer Nyayo, mandege zikadedi. Literally.
Like birds.
Yes. Now anyone who understands what we call monitoring spirits, wanga zina manifest kama birds. Sometimes ama
monitoring spirits.
Yes. Unaweza kutanga kuna kiol kinakujanga tu kwako time fulani. Ama kuna time nilitembelewa na kiol na kibat. Kibat tu kinafikanga saa moja kinakuja kinahang kwa mlango tu hapo. Alafu ikifika saa 6 usiku naona kiol kimecheki keja. Na tukaanza kuwa wasik nikajua kuna kitu kinatuandama. So kuna hizo zinaitangwa monitoring spirits. Walipiga prayer Nyayo zikadunda, si moja si mbili si tatu. Haikuwa kwa news.
Na ni hizo tu mabags nini si kuku.
Si hizo ni mabags fulani tu strange zilikuwa hizo makuku.
As in monitoring spirits zilikuwa kwa hizo mabags. As in monitors always pata kuku iko na monitoring spirit. We need to
what happens that. A spirit just needs a being, a body. A spirit is a disembodied spirit. It's a disembodied being, haina mwili.
So monitoring sasa
monitoring ni kitu imetumwa iko ikanika ina kumonitor
like CCTV za shetani.
Yeah, like, bas, yes.
Okay. So
unakutanga sometimes unataka kudu kitu fulani, ukikaribia tu kuifanya mangori zinatokea. Juu kuna kitu ina kumonitor. So inakuanga tu every move it's targeted. Ni kama spiritual GPS. Okay, spirituality ni deep. Na saa zingine ukiingia inakanga stories za jaba. So that was not covered. The kind of operation that happened hapo hivyo. You know, anytime this is corporate faith, corporate gathering, corporate unity, the kind of operations that you happen up wanga serious.
That's fine. So, in fact, this was another level. Tithe offering.
Yes.
What's the difference?
Just imagine this if was captured on cameras and everybody saw this. You know, there are some things which happened which were not projected or were not on online or were not captured in TV, in any camera did not capture. Now Pastor T, he has explained that during BENNY HINN conference there are many things happened which were not captured on camera, and according to him, one thing that was not captured is birds which were they were filled with the monitoring spirit started falling down because of the prayers which were made. All these happened because of prayers. Now you see what prayer can do, and people they start lamenting BENNY HINN, saying the crusade and not God. Pastors saying Benny Hinn is not man of God, and many people lamented him. Now you see, we have those people, the intercessor who are there, and they were praying. And if they were praying, God was there. Why did those bars fall down? Because the bars, they fall down because of the spirits which they were carrying. Actually, we call them the monitoring spirits, and they hand those monitoring spirits, and that's why through the prayers, that was the sign that the devil had no power during that time. You see, it was not captured. Never lament something that you don't know what happened inside. This is Stephen, GC News.